Look at that, 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 boy.
Yes, it would be so crazy. It might blow your mind off.
Como ça va, YouTube? Danny here with Cajun Hydroponics. Boy, it's cold, but check it out, boy. Dollar Tree Hydroponic Strawberry Towers, boy. Look. Pow! We got that built. It's going to be the initial turn on. We still haven't run it yet like it is right here. But give us a second. We're going to plug it in and see what it does. Got to give a shout out to Bunkie Garden from the Vineyard Chicks, little Bunkie. Like Colt says, hi, Bunkie. Anyway, Bunkie and her sisters did a hydroponic for indoors for lettuce and stuff. A tower they made. Put that together. So it gave me an idea. I've been kind of back and forth on this since last year with it. Never really took the time to do it, but after seeing that, I had to take a day, put this together. As of this point, I have about $60 in it. There is 62 strawberry plants that are going to go in. I'm sorry, 36 strawberry plants that are going to go in. But yeah, it's all because of Bunkie made me stop working on the greenhouses to do this. So we're gonna plug it in, walk over there, and see if it's gonna work or not. Pump might be a little bit small because of the head pressure, but let's go see. And there it is. Pow! Got the water running. Oh, got water. And it looks like it's only going to work on one side. There's not enough pump to push both of them up. Gosh garnish. Just like that, we got it going, boy. Look. Choo. And we got a split in the bottom we're going to have to fix. But it's working. We may have to... One's putting out a little bit more water than the other, but it's working. We may end up having to go with a bigger pump, but I'm excited. See, Bunkie, that's what you did. I ain't got the greenhouses ready yet, but I got a strawberry wall going. We got a build video that's gonna be coming out. I'm gonna do a video also putting the strawberries in. Super cool. Yeah, I'm excited. Y'all take care. South Louisiana, boy, you gotta love it. We building stuff over here all the time, making stuff. $50 so far, and it's amazing. Y'all grow that later.